In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an existing link in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to replace an outdated or incorrect URL in your design without starting over. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Canva. When the results load, click the official Canva site. You'll recognize it by the canva.com domain. Going in through the correct link ensures you're on the secure, up-to-date version of the platform. Next, log into your Canva account using your usual method. Whether you use email and password or a single sign-on, make sure you end up on your Canva home dashboard. If you're switching devices, you might be prompted to verify your identity. That's normal. Just follow the prompts. Once you're in, open the design that contains the link you want to change. You can choose it from your recent designs on the homepage, search by name using the search bar, or browse your folders. Click the design to load it on the editor canvas. Now, locate the exact element that holds the link. If the link is on text, click into the text box and highlight only the specific word or phrase that's linked, especially if you don't want the entire text box linked. If it's on an image, shape, or icon, a single click to select the element is enough. You'll usually see a small mini toolbar appear near your selection, indicating there's an existing hyperlink. On that mini toolbar or pop-up, look for the current URL and the small pencil icon right beside it. Click the pencil icon to edit the link. If the pop-up doesn't appear, glance up to the top toolbar. Canva often shows the link field there as well. As a quick tip, you can also open the link editor with a keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac. Type or paste the new link into the field. It's a good idea to include the full address, starting with HTTPS, to avoid broken links. If you already copied the URL from another tab, just paste it in. Double-check for typos. Small errors can make a link unusable. When you're ready, press Enter. Canva updates the hyperlink immediately, and your change is saved automatically in the background. That's it. You've edited the existing link in your design. Repeat the same process for any other elements that need updates, and you'll keep your designs accurate and professional with just a few quick clicks.